After much delay, Mercedes-Benz has finally launched the new generation GLA SUV range in India. The lineup includes both the standard GLA as well as the performance spec AMG GLA 35 versions. Prices for the new generation GLA range begins from 42,10,000 rupees going up to 57,30,000 rupees. All prices are ex-showroom. Mercedes-Benz says the prices are introductory for now and will see an upward revision of up to 1.5 lakh rupees from 1st of July 2021. Like the new A-Class, the new generation Mercedes-Benz GLA is locally assembled in India. Engine options include the 1.3-litre petrol with 161 brake horsepower and the 2-litre diesel with 188 brake horsepower on offer. The AMG GLA 35 is powered by the 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine that belts out 302 brake horsepower and 400 Nm of peak torque, while paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It also gets Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. Bookings for the new GLA range are now open across the country. Triumph Motorcycles India has updated its product portfolio with the launch of the 2021 Bonneville Bobber. The updated version of the motorcycle is priced from 11,75,000 rupees onwards and gets subtle upgrades. This includes a revised instrument cluster with a new bezel and dial face. The styling is further enhanced with black powder-coated engine covers, cam covers and sprocket cover. The 2021 Bonneville Bobber now features a bigger fuel tank, 16-inch front wheel and fatter front forks as part of the upgrades. The motorcycle draws power from the BS6 compliant 1200cc parallel twin engine that produces 77 brake horsepower and 106 Nm of peak torque. It is paired with a 6-speed gearbox. The Bobber remains one of the most stylish looking motorcycles on sale in India and is available in 3 color options: Matte Storm Grey, Cardoon Red and Jet Black. The state-owned fuel retailers have once again hiked domestic fuel prices across the country. As per a notification from Indian Oil Corporation, petrol became costlier by up to 23 paise per litre, while diesel soared by up to 25 paise per litre. In Mumbai, petrol prices inched towards the 100 rupee per litre mark, retailing at 99 rupees and 71 paise per litre. On the other hand, diesel increased to 91 rupees and 57 paise per litre. With 13 hikes in just this month, petrol prices have been increased by 3 rupees and 4 paise per litre, while diesel became costlier by 3 rupees and 59 paise per litre. In Rajasthan's Sri Ganganagar district, petrol and diesel have touched 104 rupees and 42 paise per litre and 97 rupees and 18 paise per litre respectively. Fuel rates are currently at record highs across the country.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.